Today you will learn about the figures cuboid and cube and their surfaces areas. First of all, what is cuboid and cube? See this box. It is solid. It is length. It is breadth. It is height. It is 3D figure, so it is solid. In cuboid, it is cuboidal box. In this cuboid, length, breadth and height are different. But in cubical box, same type of this box, but in cube, length, breadth and height are same. In this box, you see here are 6 faces. And what are these 6 faces? First face is this floor, and second face is this ceiling, and 4 walls. You see these are 4 walls, 1 ceiling and 1 its floor. Then the cuboid has 6 faces, and each faces, suppose you see its floor. What type of this floor? Rectangular. And what is the area of rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. In this way, this cuboid has 2 faces having length and breadth. Floor having length and breadth. Ceiling is also having length and breadth. Now, this wall, it is breadth and it is height. And these 2 faces, this wall and this wall, having breadth and height. And these 2 faces, this wall and this wall, having length and height. It means cuboid has 6 faces. Cuboid has 6 faces. Two faces having length and breadth. 2 faces having breadth and height. And 2 faces having length and height. And areas of these 2 faces and each faces is of rectangular shape, and areas of these 2 faces 2 multiplied by L multiplied by B, or these 2 faces area 2 multiplied by B multiplied by H, and these 2 faces having area 2 multiplied by L multiplied by H. It means total surface area of cuboid is 2 faces L and B plus 2 faces B and H and 2 faces L and H. When we take 2 common, we find LB plus BH plus HL, or you can write LH. So it is the formula for total surface area of a cuboid. And what is the total surface area of cube? Total surface area of cube and what is cubical figure? A box having all faces are square type. In cubical box, all faces are of cubical type, because in cubical box, length is equal to breadth equal to height. We can write side of a cubical box is a centimeter. Here are 6 faces, and one area of one face is side multiplied by side, because each face is of square type. Then area of one face is side multiplied by side. It means a multiplied by a, which is a square. When we find out the areas of these 6 faces, it will be 6 multiplied by a square. It is the formula for total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of cube is 6a square. And next is chord surface area or lateral surface area of cuboid and cube. Chord surface area or lateral surface area of cuboid and cube. Chord surface CSA, we write short form CSA, chord surface area of a cube. When we remove floor and ceiling of any box, we find 4 walls. Chord surface area means area of 4 walls. Two walls LH and 2 walls BH. In cube, 4 walls means one face is area of one face is a square, and area of 4 walls means 4 multiplied by a square. It is the formula for chord surface area of a cube. Total surface area of cube is 6a square, because we find area of 6 faces. In chord surface area, we find out the area of 4 walls only, and area of one wall means one face a square, and when we find out area of 4 walls, we will multiply a square with 4, and it is the formula for chord surface area of a cube. And next is chord surface area of a cuboid. Area of 4 walls. If you have to find out area of 4 walls, it means you have to find out the area, chord surface area or lateral surface area of a cuboid. 2 walls LH and 2 walls BH. When we find out 2 and H common, we find out here L plus B. It means we can write 2 L plus B and multiply by H. So it is the formula for chord surface area of a cuboid, and area of 4 walls we can write chord surface area of a cuboid, lateral surface area of cuboid, all are same. And what is this 2L plus B? It is the perimeter of base. Perimeter of base and multiply by H. It is the formula for chord surface area of each figure perimeter of base. And what is the perimeter? Because floor of cuboid is of rectangular shape. It is L, it is L, it is B, and it is B. When we find out the perimeter of this rectangle, 2L plus B. It is the perimeter of base and multiply by it. This is for each and every figure when we find out the curved surface area of a cuboid. Again, you can write, here are two formulas for curved surface area of cube. 4a square, total surface area of cube is 6a square, because here are 6 faces, here are 4 faces. Curved surface area of cuboid, perimeter of base and multiply by height. And total surface area of cuboid, 2 faces LB, 2 faces BH and 2 faces HL. When we add them, we find total surface area of cuboid. I hope the derivation of these formulas will be clear to you. Thank you.